Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect 711 proxy on your laptop or your PC. So without wasting my time, let's get started. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so before you get started, you have to open your browser, right? Open your browser and then visit 711 proxy. So 711 proxy. When it comes, you have to select this one, the one with the 711. Kindly check the URL well. It should be www.711proxy.com. Okay, so when you tap on it and then you log in, this is how you're going to see the interface. If you not have an account, you just create the account. If you already have an account, you just log in. Okay, so after logging in, you come to by IP. Okay, by IP. So it means you're going to connect the proxy by IP. That's what it means. Okay, so if you don't have the IP yet, you can simply buy the IP on this particular website I'm going to show you. Okay, so the name of the website is proxyhome.org. Proxyhome.org. Yeah, proxyhome.org. So this the website proxyhome.org. That one too, if you should visit proxyhome.org. This is how you will see it. Okay, this is the interface. So that one too, you just tap on get free, get started for free. Okay, then you create an account. But since I already have an account and I have money in it, this is how I'll see the interface, right? Depending on the country you are in, you just tap on this and select your currency. But because I'm based in Ghana, I'll just select the cedis and then I'll confirm it. Alright, so if I want to buy proxy, I'll just come to buy proxy. Okay, buy proxy and an account. Then you wait for it to load. Actually, you can buy a whole lot of proxies and then accounts over here. As you can see, we have Express, VPN, Apple Music, 711. This is for the gigabyte and then this for the IP. But because you are using the IP for this video, you select IP over here. Okay, the prices are very cheap. Yes, the prices are very cheap. You can get a whole lot of stuff over here. You have Facebook accounts, Client proxy. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a whole lot of stuff over here you can buy for yourself. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, you just go in for the 711 proxy, then you tap on it. You wait for it to load. When it comes, you can see 10 IPs over here, 25 IPs, 50 IPs, depending on the one you want to buy. So just for this video, let's go in for the 10 IPs. So all you need to do is to tap on 10 IPs, purchase now. Okay, so once it's very instant. So once you purchase on it, you're going to receive your key instantly. So what you need to do is to tap on copy over here, and you move back to your 711 dashboard. Then you paste your key over here. Once you paste your key, you tap on redeem. Okay, you tap on redeem. Okay, so as you can see, we've redeemed our 10 IP successfully. What you need to do next is to set it up. Okay, so at this moment, yeah, so after redeeming your IPs, as you can see, the IPs are here. You are left with how to connect the IPs, right? So what you need to do is to come right over here, then select the country you want. Okay, let's say you want United Kingdom or UK. Okay, so United Kingdom, then you select it. Then this is where you're going to select the state, whether England, Scotland, Wales, anywhere. So let's say we want England, right? So with any other settings, you just leave it like that. What you need to do is to come here and then select the last one depending on what you want. I will prefer the last one. Then the number of proxies, just going for one, then you tap on generate. Okay, once you generate, you're going to get the details over here, right? Then you go to your FoxyProxy. If you don't have it, you just come to extensions, or better still, tap on this button over here. Then you go to extensions, then you visit your Chrome web store. Okay, when you come to your Chrome web store, you just type in FoxyProxy, FoxyProxy, Foxy, okay, FoxyProxy. Then you just add it to your Chrome. I've already added mine. That's why it's showing remove from Chrome, right? So when you add it to your Chrome, this is how you're going to see the interface. So let me just start everything from scratch. Okay. So we are going to input the details from our 711 proxy. So these are the divisions from here to here to where the semicolon is marks your host name. Okay, so you copy and then go to your FoxyProxy and then the host name you paste it. When you are done, you go to the port. Okay, the port is the one right after the colon. Okay, the colon. You paste that one to over here. Once you are done, you are left with the username and then the password. The username is from this place, user, all the way to this place right before the colon. Okay, you copy that one too and then paste it at where the user is. So we are left with the password. We just copy the password, copy, then you paste it. Now we are left with the title. With the title, you can just use the user over here. Yeah. So the user. Or you can just type in this one. You can type it manually or you just copy. Right. Once you are done, you just save. Okay. You just save. After saving, you come back to your extension, tap on FoxyProxy, and then tap on the user. Okay. Then you come to whoa.net. Okay. Then you refresh. After refreshing, it should show United Kingdom or any IP you connected to. Okay, so let's wait for it to load and then show us. Okay, so as you can see, we are seeing United Kingdom over here, meaning our proxy is working perfectly. The disguise too is 90%, which means it's not bad. It's very, very good. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also, if you need cheaper proxies or any account at all, you can just visit proxyhome.org. You get everything you need over here. See you in my next video.